Get ready. Start. Sir, yesterday I was making a point that so far as the present bill is concerned, it tries to make the nomination a simpler procedure than what was obtaining under the old act. The only difference is this: as I said in the beginning, after the last general elections, it was found that in certain areas there were a number of applications which were rejected on the ground that the nominations that were filed were not found in order. Therefore, there was a feeling at one time that we might provide for some procedure by which that matter could be taken to some independent authority. That was the proposal made by the select committee which was appointed in respect of the former bill which was introduced in 2003 and ultimately withdrawn. However, when this matter was again considered by the select committee on the present bill, they thought that if at all the judicial authority was going to be interposed at this stage, then the object of having simultaneous elections was likely to be defeated. It might easily happen. Suppose in respect of a certain matter of disqualification, the matter was allowed to be referred to some authority. It would naturally be subject to the proceedings that might be taken under the powers vested in the High Court under the Constitution or be subject to appeal to the Supreme Court. Therefore, the election program with respect to a general election would be set aside. Ultimately, it was thought that the best way to deal with the problem would be to try to obviate and eliminate as many chances of improper acceptance of applications as possible. Honorable members will find that the question of nomination for candidates is now made very simple and there is practically no chance of any nomination paper being rejected because it has been laid down in the act itself that the returning officer shall correct if there is a mistake with respect to the number or some such technical mistake. As I said yesterday, we have removed the restriction as to the number to which one voter may subscribe. But the only thing that is now required is that there should be somebody to propose the name of certain other persons. There was also a proposal by some honorable members of this house that we might do away with that proposal also.